Alright guys, welcome back. Well, Bear and I went exploring last week and we didn't do any cooking. We decided to go exploring. So this week we're doing some more exploring and we're going to do some cooking this time. It's going to be nice. I'm out here on the Mulberry River, and where I normally camp on the Mulberry River right now, it's underwater. So I'm not going to be doing any camping or anything like that, but hopefully Bear doesn't get swept off in the water. He likes to get out there and swim, but I don't think it's moving that fast. So on the menu today, Cowboy Stew. We're going to do it my way. We're going to have a couple of tomatoes, an onion, some ground beef, some lean ground beef, the little baby carrots, a couple of potatoes, some stew meat, salt and pepper, garlic, Cavendish seasoning. Going to need some beef broth and some extra virgin olive oil, and the secret ingredient, if you don't ever use this on your stew, you should, chili powder. And what am I going to cook all that goodness in? Well, the Dutch oven, of course. Now before you put your meat in your Dutch oven, get your little extra virgin olive oil down in there. Be sure and coat that Dutch oven really well on the bottom. Now this is where you go ahead and apply your seasoning. I'm just using Cavendish today because Cavendish is great for a wide variety of meat, and it's easy to store for me and haul with me all over the place. So I just use it. The wind's blowing, got to get that down in there on it. Now go ahead and get your meat chopped up really well. I'm gonna knock my camera off doing that. Get it all stirred up in together, get it on the fire. Come here, Bear. Told you I had something for you. Hold on a second. Don't eat it with the rind still on there. There you go. I like that bologna. There you go. The old crappie knife, man, it works great. Fillet a crappie and cut an onion. You can't have no onions, boy. Onions are bad for little puppies. And big puppies too. He was down here by the river and something happened. Big old loud crack. Smash. Might have been a tree fell over there or something, I don't know. Well, I think the meat's about good, so I'm going to go over here, take it off the fire. I don't want to overcook it. I'll put it back on there shortly. You better watch out, buddy. Bigfoot's gonna get you. Bigfoot's gonna get you. He didn't like you hanging around on his river down there. I'm going to leave my cubes just a little bit big. Cut them however you want. If you want small cubes, cut small cubes. If you want bigger cubes, cut bigger cubes. I'm leaving mine about like that right there because that's how I like them in my stew. All right, so let's get the good stuff in it. I guess the good stuff's already in it, the steak and stew meat. Hamburger. Let's go ahead and use your whole bag if you want of carrots. You can buy regular carrots, cut them up yourself if you want to. And to me, carrots are carrots. There's no preservatives or anything in that bag, so just go ahead and use it. Before I put that in there, get a little garlic on it. There we go. Get the other stuff in it. Right there. Add your little salt. That'll do it. A little pepper. That'll work. And I told you a while ago, secret ingredient. Get that chili powder in there. If you've never tried using chili powder as an ingredient on your stew, try it with Cowboy Stew. You'll be glad you did. Now you can put other stuff in it. You can put jalapenos, you can do all that stuff, but that's gonna be all the ingredients that I put in it. And the last thing that I'm gonna do with it, I'm gonna fill it up with beef broth. That is gonna be my conductor for the heat. I'm just gonna use the whole box here. All right, and there it is. Go ahead and take you a good stir. Get all that stuff mixed in together. Then we're gonna put it on the fire for about, for what our fire is right now, probably about an hour. Our fire is a decent fire right now, but it's not a big fire, so probably gonna take about an hour for all this to simmer and turn into total goodness. Some of the meat's not chopped up good. There we go. Get that mixed in really bad. All right, there it is. I'm gonna take one little last dab of chili powder. Chili powder is trying not to come out. Gotta spank it a little bit. Sometimes spank it, get its attention. There it is. You hungry yet? All right, it's on there and it's simmering. So it should be about an hour. We'll see how that works out. Mama says sometimes you're not a good boy. I don't believe that for a second. I don't believe that for a second. How could you not love that little face right there? All right, go play. He's like, dang it, Dad, I want to go do something. I want to go explore. All right, so we're about 10 minutes from taking it off the fire. This is where your tomatoes come in. I don't ever put my tomatoes on until about the last 10 minutes because I want them to render down to where you can't really taste anything. I still want a little bit of tomato in mine, so I'll wait till about the last 10 minutes. Wedge down here, had to get out and push it off the rock. There's a bunch of shoals right there. It's not super deep. Now where they're about to be, it's gonna get pretty deep. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. I wish you could smell through the screen. If you could, your mouth would be watering right now. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and I'm gonna get me a bowl and I'm gonna chow down. Whew, folks, I'm hungry. I wish you could smell that. My goodness, my goodness. Let's eat. Mmm. 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 Goodness. I'll cleanse my palate first. Hopefully, I don't burn my palate because this stuff's still pretty steamy. Let's check it out. It's hot. Good old carrots. Folks, it's easy. There's not a lot to this. A little bit of that hamburger meat. Anyway, it's easy to make all together between getting my fire started, setting the Dutch oven stuff up, little tripod, and getting everything going. I might be here an hour and a half right now. So hour and 45 minutes. So hour and 45 minutes to get it all done, and you get this kind of a meal out of it. That's hard to beat. That really is hard to beat. So the recipe is in the description. Check it out. And as always, stay hungry. Check our other channel out, Two Fat Guys Overland Adventure channel. Get out, explore. You'll see you'll see my ride. Sean didn't come with me today. You'll see my ride coming down here to the beautiful Mulberry River, and I've got some great drone shots of the Mulberry. So check it out. You want to see it. Have a great day. It's all right, dude.